Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Cabello. And yeah, as you probably saw in the title, here we are. I have about maybe this is my last bottle of Minoxidil. I have maybe like 5 more days left, 4 more days left of Minoxidil. So this is the end of the road. This is the end of the journey. Of course, I have a lot of patches still. It's it's not as thick as I would like my beard to be, obviously. But what can I say? I feel like there's not much left to gain from Minoxidil. I think I just have to wait a few more years. I'm 24. Hopefully by the time I'm 30, my beard's gonna come in more just naturally. But is Minoxidil worth it? Yes, absolutely, 100%. I wouldn't even be close to where I am now if I didn't use Minoxidil. So I see it more as like a kickstart to my beard, And I'm glad that I spent the time I spent on Minoxidil, but it's time to end the journey. I think it's a good time to end it. I don't have any more Minoxidil right now, and I don't really want to spend more money on Minoxidil, especially when I don't think I'm gonna gain a lot more. So, with that said, let's get into possibly the last update. I don't know, maybe later on I might use minoxidil again if I feel like it, but probably not. So, here we go. Starting as always with the left side. This is my stronger side, as you might know by now. This is what that looks like at the end of the journey. So yeah, if you see my first video, you can tell the difference. There's definitely a difference there. And right now, you can see my mustache is a little shiny because I have some minoxidil on it. So what I've been doing is, with this last bottle, like half of the bottle, I've just been using it on my lip, on my mustache. So I can, ease off the minoxidil, not just stop cold turkey or whatever. And also because obviously my mustache is my weakest area right now. You can see it's still like full of transitional hairs. So that's not great. But yeah, we'll see what happens. So moving on to the shin area, my strongest area on my face, since I've already had some hairs there. You can see that there. And underneath, that's what that looks like. And moving on to my weakest area, my weakest cheek, I should say, which is the right side cheek. That's what that looks like. You can see that hole still there. It's kind of covered by all this hair right now. It's not a great look. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. I kind of like it. I kind of don't. If I had a mustache, I'd probably like it more. I just try to, I'm trying to experiment with it. I think I haven't trimmed in like 2 months. And I'm gonna wait until the end of this month, like right before Thanksgiving, see where I'm at. And then I'm probably gonna shave it down, keep it trim until I see that my beard starts coming in just naturally with the years. But I'm probably just gonna rock the same look, but with shorter beard hair, a little bit closer to my face. Because right now, as you can see, my beard is very curly, so it looks kind of a mess. Like, it's hair all over the place. You see that there? And it's really hard to manage. I use some beard butter and beard oil and whatnot, and I've even tried doing some hair dryer, and even then it's kind of really hard to manage. So I'm just gonna rock it out until the end of the month. Right before Thanksgiving, I'm probably gonna shave, or not shave, but trim it really close to my face, and that'll be that. Yeah, as I said, definitely recommend Minoxidil. If you're wondering if you should use it or not, definitely use it. As for this channel, I'm planning to do some videos of the classic videos of post minoxidil journey, just to see how much of this hair is not terminal and like how much of it falls, and how much coverage I lose, and if any. So look out for that. I'm gonna be doing some probably monthly post minoxidils update. And yeah, that's gonna be all, guys. Thank you for coming along with me in this journey. It's been a ride. So yeah, that's gonna be all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.